Imagine sitting in front of your screen with $0 in your account, no skills, no experience, and no clue where to begin. That was me just a short while ago. I was frustrated, tired of seeing videos of people making money online and thinking, sure, but that's not for someone like me. Everything seemed complicated. Coding, design, trading, or expensive courses that promised the world and delivered nothing. But then, I discovered something that changed everything. An AI tool that's completely free, simple to use, and powerful enough to generate real income without requiring any background knowledge. That tool is ChatGPT. The first time I opened ChatGPT, I didn't even know where to start. It felt like I was staring at a blank canvas. But within minutes, I realized how revolutionary this tool really was. It could write, design, brainstorm, explain, and even help me create digital products from scratch. I thought to myself, what if I could use this to offer quick services to people who are willing to pay for results? That's where the journey began. I started by exploring simple online marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms are filled with clients who need things done fast, resumes polished, blog posts written, catchy product descriptions crafted, social media captions generated, or even entire business emails drafted. Normally, each of these tasks might take hours to complete manually, especially if English isn't your first language or you don't consider yourself a writer. But with ChatGPT, these tasks take minutes. I tested it out by offering a single gig, creating professional resumes. Here's how it worked. I opened ChatGPT, typed a prompt like, write a professional resume for a marketing specialist with 3 years of experience. Within seconds, the AI generated a flawless, well-structured resume. I reviewed it, made tiny edits, and delivered it to the client. They loved it, and paid me instantly through PayPal. That single job was $20. That small win lit a fire in me. If I could do this once, I could do it again and again. So I listed 3 more gigs: writing short blog posts, crafting product descriptions for e-commerce stores, and creating social media content packs. Each gig ranged between $15 and $25 per task. Using ChatGPT, I could deliver these in record time. Clients were happy because they got fast turnaround and high-quality work. I was happy because I was earning money without spending hours stuck on each project. By the end of my first day experimenting with this system, I had completed 5 gigs, 2 resumes, 1 blog post, 1 set of Instagram captions, and 1 product description pack. Total earnings, $100. All from tasks that I completed in less time than it would take most people to watch a movie. And I did all of this without paying for ads, without using complicated software, and without learning any new technical skills. This isn't a fantasy. The AI did the heavy lifting, and all I had to do was guide it. Instead of writing from scratch, I gave it clear prompts, adjusted the wording where necessary, and presented it professionally to my clients. And the more I used ChatGPT, the faster and better I became at crafting prompts that delivered high-quality results instantly. That's when I realized this wasn't just a one-time win. This was a repeatable system that anyone could follow. The beauty of using ChatGPT is that it removes barriers. You don't need to be a native English speaker because it writes fluently for you. You don't need to spend weeks learning design software because it can help generate structured content for tools like Canva. You don't need to market yourself heavily because gig platforms already have built-in demand. You just need to show up with the right offer and deliver efficiently. Here's exactly how you can replicate what I did. Sign up for ChatGPT. Free account. Go to ChatGPT and create your free account. This is your main tool. Pick a simple service in demand. Look at Fiverr and Upwork. Search for resume writing, blog writing, or social media captions. Notice how many clients need these tasks done. Create your gig or profile. Write a simple, clear description. For example, I will create a professional resume in 24 hours, or I will write high-quality blog posts on any topic. Use ChatGPT to complete tasks. When you receive a request, feed it into ChatGPT. For example, if someone wants a product description for a skincare brand, type, write a 200-word product description for a luxury skincare cream that highlights anti-aging benefits in a friendly and persuasive tone. Deliver quickly and professionally. Check the output. Refine it slightly if needed, and send it back. Fast delivery impresses clients and leads to positive reviews, which attracts more clients. Repeat and scale. The more you do it, the more efficient you become. After your first $100, add more gigs or offer package deals, e.g., free blog posts for $50. This approach works because it combines three powerful elements: zero upfront cost, instant client demand, and AI doing 80% of the work. You're essentially serving as the middle person between what clients need and what AI can instantly generate. It's ethical, simple, and effective. Another great way to leverage this is to sell digital products you create with AI. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write ebooks, guides, or templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. I've seen people create Instagram caption packs, 100 pre-written captions for specific niches, and sell them for $15 to $25 each. ChatGPT can generate those captions in under an hour. With just a few sales, you've doubled or tripled your daily goal. The key here is consistency. If you spend even 1 hour each day using ChatGPT to complete tasks or create digital products, you can easily build this into a steady income stream. This isn't about overnight millions, it's about taking realistic, achievable steps to hit your first $100 and then scaling upward. One of the best parts? You don't even need to limit yourself to one language or market. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, which means you can offer services globally. Imagine writing social media posts for small businesses in English, Spanish, or French, all without being fluent in those languages yourself. That's the true power of AI. It breaks down barriers and opens opportunities that didn't exist before. If you're skeptical, that's normal. I was too. But here's the reality: businesses and individuals are paying for speed and quality. AI provides both. When you combine AI tools like ChatGPT with platforms where clients are actively seeking help, you bridge the gap instantly. So here's what you need to do right now. Go to ChatGPT and sign up. Create an account on Fiverr or Upwork and set up a simple service like resume writing or blog posts. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality outputs for your clients. Deliver fast, collect positive reviews, and repeat the process. By following this method, you can realistically make your first $100 online faster than you think. And from there, the possibilities expand. You can increase your rates, add more services, or even create fully automated side hustles using AI-powered tools combined with platforms like Canva for visuals, or CapCut for video editing if you want to branch into content creation. This is the future of work, using AI not to replace people, but to empower them. It's about working smarter, not harder. You don't need to spend months learning a skill to start earning online anymore. The tools are here, free, and waiting for you to take advantage of them. Start small. Sign up for ChatGPT. Open Fiverr. Post your first gig. Even if you only land one client, that's your proof that this works. From there, you'll have the confidence to keep going, reinvest your time, and eventually build something bigger. Every day you wait is a day you could have been building your own stream of income. If I can start from nothing, with no skills and no money, and make $100 in a single day using free AI, then so can you. It's time to stop watching others succeed and start taking action yourself. Click the link, sign up for ChatGPT, open that Fiverr account, and take the first step. This is your moment.